guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I want to take you guys again on the road, and it's a weekend again. Weekend with us, with the Stevens family, and yeah, Swaggy in charge of this vlog. Okay, yeah, and see guys, Errol there with me. Yeah, he's driving, he's concentrated, and also the kids there with us. Leo, привет, скажи всем привет. Всем привет. And somebody's already knocked out. Yeah, Daniel is sleeping because he woke up very early in the morning, and you guys know how it goes. Yeah, we are going to one place, our favorite pizza place in Kingston, Jamaica. And I personally really love their pizzas because they're so like it's Italian style pizza. I can't wait. Yeah, and you know guys, as you notice, our kids, they don't really eat on the road because they are very picky, and it's very hard for us to find some food for them that they will eat. And if when we go on the road, they mostly eat fast food, like french fries or something, nuggets or something. Yeah, but other than that, the good food, the healthy food, they don't eat outside of like on the road. They only eat it at home when I feed them here. So I hope this time they will try the pizza. And yeah guys, we will stick to pepperoni because the pizza that I love, they don't eat it. I love pizza with the chicken and the red onion, but they don't eat it, so we're going to eat pepperoni. Yeah, we're on the road. Yeah guys, and you know, when guys, I had noticed something while I was on the road sitting in this car. I peep in the cars in front, the cars that are coming in front of us. Sometimes I peep in, I peep inside, I pre. Yeah, and I noticed that a lot of cars, like real nice cars like BMW and Mercedes-Benz cars, mostly big nice vehicles, mostly women, Jamaican women drive them, you know. Jamaican man drive that kind of vehicles, so you can see, say, Jamaican women, they will succeed, you know.
Succeed.
They will successful. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So in Russia, any incidents?
Not really. In Russia, we have more men driving those kind of vehicle, but because our society is kind of, you know, women are more, you know, submissive to the man. Yeah. So probably that's why, you know, we give the career and stuff in man hand, you know, everything in the man hand, and yeah, he the only the one who leads the family. So that's why probably here. But it's a false set of mind because, you know guys, you always need to keep in your brain that we women, we have to be somebody too other than our husbands, because you know life is very unpredictable, and you know any minute you need to make sure that then you can get yourself, and you can you know take care of your kids, take care of everything. So you have to have something for yourself, even if your marriage is secured. Life is unpredictable, like I told you, and anything can happen. Not in terms of your marriage crash or other stuff, but you know, guys, other factors. If you understand me here. So okay, so now we're going to Kingston, to my favorite place, Uptown. Uptown. Yeah, we're going. And guys, I'm gonna show you the toll. We're just standing in the toll because we are not Kingstonians. We're not from Kingston, but that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Yeah, so we just. Is that the traffic? It's the weekend traffic. It sounds interesting. Yeah, well, good thing I'm not really hungry. I can hold feet, drink my milkshake, so kinda I feel full. Can wait a little bit in that traffic, but not too long. Yeah. кто делает так? Мяу.
Котенок.
Да, правильно. А кто делает так? Гав, гав, гав.
Собака.
А кто делает? Кукареку.
Цыпленок.
Петух.
Петух.
Петух, правильно. Так, а кто делает так? Му.
Корова.
Корова. Эрл, you know too. Корова. А кто делает так? Ме.
Даша.
Нет. Неправильно. Ме. Кто делает?
Овечка.
Овечка, правильно. Yeah, guys. So I was asking my son, I was showing my son the sound of the animals, and Leo so far named all the animals. Who do that sound? And Errol too. Look like Errol silently
Trying to learn.
picking up Russian. Yeah. You're really trying, or you just remember? Because I talk sometimes in Russian.
Yeah, just remember it.
Just remember.
Yeah, teach Leo. I'm here lazy when we watch cartoon. So, but
Okay.
it's hard, man.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. We need to work on our Russian language. We can't stop work on it though. Need to master it better
So
and
I'm going to
better.
Russian, I can't talk.
Yeah, so even sometimes, you know, you don't need to talk. Sometimes you even have any idea what people
What they
around
say.
you talk about. Safety even reasons. If you need to run, you know when to run. I'm joking. I'm joking, but you know,
Did I go to visit my
you
bush
know,
pastor?
sometimes curious what people talk about you. That's what I do here in Jamaica sometimes. I pretend like I don't know patois. Pretend like I'm a expat, fresh expat, tourist, tourist. So, just want people sometimes to, you know. And sometimes people do it, you know. Sometimes people talk in front of me, but not every time. Because you need to be smarter than that. I mean, what what do people do? Like so far, just like two people did it. But Jamaica, they don't do it. They don't do it because, you know, Jamaicans, they're not gonna, you know, do that style. Like in Vietnamese, oh man, Vietnamese, they talk about you in front of you from head to toe. They're gonna discuss you. And the reason why we were probably feeling comfortable in Vietnam, because we did not understand what they were talking about. But we could hear some words, but still couldn't, you know, have a clue what was the topic about. But they can discuss you. Here in Jamaica,
You couldn't have a clue. Me could have a clue.
I couldn't have a clue. Oh, come on, you understand like 2 words more than me, and then you want to show.
What does that do with that?
Yeah,
Everywhere we go in Vietnam,
yeah, show.
you, everywhere we
Yeah,
go
show
in
off.
Vietnam, you say to me, say,
Go
oh,
on,
we know
yeah,
that,
show
oh, we
off.
learn that. So when me guys go watch like vlog number between vlog 1 and 5, you remember when you go at the
You know,
restaurant?
dear.
Jason, you remember when you go at the restaurant? No, not for the family, right? But you remember
Yeah.
when you go to the restaurant? You ask me how I know the money and how I know that.
Yeah, but some basic stuff. But you can't understand when they discuss you. Like, I mean,
If them, you go hear somewhere, them know like.
but
them,
here in Jamaica, the part was it's almost like English. It's just broken English. Yeah, so it's very easy to pick up what the topic is about. So yeah, but sometimes, you know, yeah, the way how Jamaican people talk, sometimes it can get confused, you know. But if you live here long enough, like me, and or you know, I've listened to a lot of Jamaican songs, so that's why I know the phrases. Those phrases, you know, they might use to cover some sentences, you know.
Just your style.
Yeah. So I know all of them because I grew up on dancehall too, if you can say so. Oh, my teenage age.
I think Jamaicans can still style it, but they go hard. Like,
Yeah, it's a go hard.
Like they would have to know so you can speak Patois. And then them start really like, no, I think it's really difficult.
He was super
yeah,
duper patois.
Yeah, we don't know.
Countryside, real countryside patois.
Because even me talk fast and you understand me.
I
so,
do,
yeah,
I do, and I understand a lot of phrases that normal, regular foreigners probably who learn patois they're not gonna understand, because you have to definitely listen to the sounds to catch them. That's what I did. The sounds played a lot in my situation. The sounds here, and sometimes some phrases even Errol don't know those, but because I used to listen to them a lot. Yeah, you know them, but you know, you wonder how I know them. Sometimes you do that. Of course, you know you're Jamaican. Yeah, sometimes you say swag. Oh, you know that. I'm gonna say that from the sun, yeah.
Some of my ear chip and something with the youth. How you get that from? Yeah, so.
And it turns all the apps.
Oops. Back up.
Yeah. But actually,
Not Chewbacca.
yeah. I'm going to back up.
So guys, we've arrived to the plaza, and the name is, what is the name again? Orchid Village Plaza. Yeah, that's where our restaurant is situated. Yeah, so this is actually how it looks. They have a lot more restaurants, shopping, like I mean clothes. You can shop here for the clothes and stuff, but we came here for this, the name here, and I really love how the place looks. It just looks so cute and relaxing. I mean, like, it's a nice place to chill. I want to sit outside. I want to go. I don't know. I want to sit here. Yeah, but I want to. Yeah, we're gonna sit outside, guys. Yeah, so this is how actually the place looks inside. Yeah. We're going outside.
Ow!
Leo, садись сюда. Садись. Ой.
So leaves.
Daniel.
Wake up.
Danny woke up.
So I move it right this way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Guys, can you believe they even have ackee and saltfish pizza?
Yeah. Wow.
And look, looks like
And they have Jamaica
looks
pizza
like
with
like
jerk
a
chicken
whale.
sausages. Yeah. By the way, I need to show you the prices. Yeah.
They're like whales.
Yeah. So that is the prices. So you can guys check out. So at least you know you have clue how much stuff costs here. So for the large pizza, it's about 2,000 max 500. Yeah, and for the medium, but the pizza is really large though, if it's large or really large. And for the medium is like 1,600 max, 1,600 max for the ackee and shellfish pizza. Ooh, the ackee and shellfish, no, salmon pizza is the most expensive pizza. Yeah, guys. So this is the menu. They have wines here. You can, you know, Italians, they like to drink wines with pizza, so you can order wine. And they have also like other spaghettis, a lot of stuff.
I just bought that.
Here comes guys my salmon. It looks good. Ooh. Here comes me and Errol. I don't think he's gonna eat
Yeah,
it.
the man's already.
This is veggies.
Put it on there.
Let me try. Like some sauces.
Really well.
I like it.
Yeah. Let's see if Leo.
I love it. It's hot.
It's hot. Careful here, Danny.
It's like a mustard on
Did it cut
ketchup.
it?
Leo is eating it.
I really like it. You like it, Leo?
Вкусно?
No, it's
What's that?
that's a pizza.
It's a pizza. Yeah.
I want a small circle.
Let's see if Daniel gonna eat it.
A small circle.
It's small circle. Yeah?
Oh,
it's hot.
he's eating it. Yeah.
Oh, it's a lemon.
Thank you.
This is the lemonade, right? Yeah.
It's lemonade, Errol.
Yeah. Alright, look.
Yeah, so now we just waiting on pizza. Yeah. I'm gonna eat my salmon. Long time I didn't eat salmon.
That's hot.
Yeah? It's hot?
Yeah.
Alright, put it.
Guys, here came pizza. Pepperoni.
Leo pepperoni pizza over here.
The pepperoni она тут, видишь? You guys, Leo is complaining because he saw the sweet pepper in the pizza, but we mix it. That's why. You see, this is only pepperoni. No, don't tell him that you don't. И Leo, значит, ешь картошечку. So Leo said, yeah, because the pizza doesn't really look like this fast food pizza.
Yeah, this is
And that tray.
yeah, this is a small circle. Look, I'm gonna show you.
Careful.
Just take it down, yeah. No need no love. Peel it up. Yeah, try this pizza. It's good. Yeah, it's good. I'm telling you.
Please, one bite, please. Oh, this is perfect.
Come here, Leo. Let me this. You want to try the pizza? Let me try it. See the pepperoni? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. It's so good.
No problem, I can give you
Yeah.
veggies.
You're gonna like it. Veggies. One try the pizza.
We make better lemonade.
Yeah?
Yeah, so guys, I like so far food here. It's tasty. I like the sauce and the salad here on the side. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's a good look. It's a good look. And it's tasty. It's a real restaurant food.
You don't want some pizza?
I want a Domino's pizza. I want to go to Domino's pizza.
You want to go to Domino's Pizza? Alright. I'll take it later, yeah? You still want the ice cream?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, картошку.
And this? No?
What is it, Errol?
You're too mean. You eat, look. You didn't even offer me a piece of
Oh, yeah, still my fish, my salmon.
You offer me some of the wedges though. And I said earlier you want some of the fish?
But you love it too.
It tastes good. Right.
Salmon tastes good.
You're gonna give me none.
I'll give you a stop.
Yeah,
Wait.
black man, pa.
Fish.
Small fish?
Yeah.
Where? I only see big fish. You see them? You see
Yeah,
them
look
big?
at the small fish.
Where's the small one?
Look, it's little.
The little? Oh, I see the baby fish. Those little baby fishes?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you don't see them?
Look out.
What's that?
Hello.
Okay.
It's a giant, big fish.
Giant big fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so big, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see it. No ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
We're gonna buy ice cream now, yeah? Danny,
Wow.
we're gonna buy ice cream, okay?
So guys, let's go check that store. Like how things they look outside. Go check it out. They look too fancy though. It tease me here. Let's go check it out. Here you can.
Daddy.
See?
Mama.
that's beautiful. As for mommy.
Yeah,
Yes.
Beautiful.
Okay, Daniel. Can you broaden a little bit?
Alright. That's all. Just film that dress. You need something for you.
Like a brown top with the whatever print, brown prints.
Maybe you need something for you.
Just checking out, you know.
Let's straight to females.
Look at this.
You keep them so quiet.
Here and there.
This one, so then.
Yeah. University? I don't know. What I would want to wear.
Hmm?
I don't know what I would want to wear.
Let's see this or something.
That looks cute.
Hold it.
This one looks cute.
Not like this, also.
This one not hot nice.
Hmm?
I'm not sure. Ooh.
Yeah, not nice though.
I like this one.
Yeah, look nice. You look like an anniversary dress. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, man, it's like you don't like something.
That's 6, but I'm not sure about my.
Finish your boy.
It's okay.
I don't like it.
Decided to take this one.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah. You have the red card.
You're so cute.
It's big.
The premium was expensive.
Oh, that. Oh, sorry, how much you band do with the work for diamond then?
8,000?
She said, how much is it, like 3? 3, she said.
Let me see how to find.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Danny. Down in, oh, it's blingy there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
Probably I could change the color first. Be pretty though.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I can reach again. Come in here.
Buddhas? Alright. Alright guys, we're going home.
You're gonna buy ice cream now, okay?
Alright guys, so we're going now to buy ice cream for the kids, and I think that is it for today. Hope you liked and enjoy. So if you like our video, subscribe and share. Yeah, so yeah, have a good weekend too. Have a good weekend. Stay tuned and more vlogs on the way. Watch out. So bye guys. Bye.